Hi friends of the studio space, I have a quick update to show you on our Punchpass system online. So you've always been able to open up and purchase your passes online like the ones you see here. You've always been able to click on the schedule and see what's coming, and from there you could always open a class. You could make some choices here about which class schedule you'd like to see. There you go. You could always pick which instructor you'd like to see. There you are. And you've obviously been able to open a full calendar and see everything that's coming up within the week or the next month, as a matter of fact. Okay, some of the new things we'd like to share with you is this awesome content library. We are now able to upload our videos right to our Punchpass system. Now this here is what you'll see on a public page that nobody has signed into yet, but here's the good news. Go ahead and create yourself a sign-in. You're going to see mine come up here. Once you've created a sign-in, then you'll be able to see your account. Now you can see the passes that you have, you can see the reservations you've made, you can add them to your calendar, all kinds of great things. A few things that makes this much easier to use is once you've signed in, let me just show you on our calendar, on the schedule for example, you can see what you're reserved for. You can see which classes you have coming. So depending on the pass that you have available, I've added all these passes to my account. If I wanted to make a reservation for a class, click on the button, hit button number 2, and that's as fast as that. No more filling in your name over and over and over. All kinds of good stuff here. This is our online class with Liz. Same thing, if I wanted to sign up for this series, I just click the button and there we go. Isn't that great? Okay, let's go back to the content library. Now that I've signed into my account, I can also see the videos that were added because of the pass that I have attached to my name. So I have a pass for the Anytime Yoga class, and the class ran the other day, but the video is still up. Isn't that something? Here we are, and we can see all of these other classes that are available as well. Alrighty, that's all we have for now. If you've got any questions, please drop us a line at Wallaceburg Wellness Centre at gmail.com. You can always find our access at the end of the page, and you can check into a few more questions and answers right here on the website. Hope that helps. Take good care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.